Hey there, curious learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, leveraging context and prompts, making your queries smarter. Ever wondered how your devices understand what you need? Stick around as we unravel the magic of context in shaping our digital interactions. Let's kick things off. Imagine having a tool that fits perfectly in your hand. That's what fine-tuning models like GPT-3.5 do. They tailor themselves to your needs. Picture customizing your favorite tool to work even better. Today, we'll explore how fine-tuning makes our digital queries smarter and more effective. What's fine-tuning, you ask? It's like giving your device a specialized skill. Say you wanted to understand medical jargon, it's fine-tuning that helps. By teaching GPT 3.5 specific tasks, we're making it super smart in those areas. For instance, think of training it to recognize legal terms for law-related tasks. Why bother with fine-tuning? Well, it's all about accuracy and relevance. Imagine asking for help from a chatbot. With fine-tuning, it can understand your questions better and give more accurate responses. Think of it as getting exactly what you need, without any guesswork. How does fine-tuning happen? It's like teaching an old dog new tricks, except our dog is GPT 3.5. We feed it specialized data, like legal documents, and it adjusts its understanding accordingly. The result? It becomes a pro at handling specific tasks. There are a couple of ways we fine-tune our models. One is transfer learning, kind of like using what we already know to learn new things. For example, we can teach GPT 3.5 legal jargon by building upon its general understanding of language. Now, let's talk about where fine-tuning comes in handy. It's everywhere. From healthcare to finance, and even law. Imagine a doctor using a fine-tuned model to diagnose illnesses. It's like having a digital assistant right in the clinic. But wait, there are challenges too. Fine-tuning needs a lot of data, and if it's not diverse enough, our model might get confused. Picture trying to learn about rare diseases with only a few examples. It's tough. So, what should we consider when fine-tuning? Quality, diversity, and representativeness of data are key. We also need to keep an eye out for overfitting, when our model gets too good at one thing and forgets about the rest. Here's the scoop on best practices. Start with a pre-trained model that's close to what you need. Then, use transfer learning to build on its existing knowledge. And don't forget to update your model regularly, just like you update your apps. And there you have it, folks. Fine-tuning models like GPT 3.5 make our digital interactions smarter and more efficient. Whether it's improving customer service or aiding doctors in diagnosis, the possibilities are endless. So, let's harness the power of fine-tuning and make our queries smarter than ever before. Thanks for joining us today, learners. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more awesome content. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, stay curious. See you in the next video.